This video will teach you how to install your shipping lock on your Irie embosser. The first thing you're going to want to find is the shipping lock. It's a small metal rod with threads on one end and a larger head on the other. This could be stored just under the flap on the metal in the middle of the machine. In the back of the unit, lift up the flap. Toward the right hand middle section, you will feel a hole in the machine. You need to feed the embosser through that and into another hole just on the other side of the rollers. If for some reason the shipping lock doesn't feel like it's going in, take the lock out and lift up the embosser. On the power switch side of the unit, lift up about a 45-degree angle and you should feel the printer head slide to one side of the machine. Then you should be able to try to reinsert the shipping lock back into the unit. And you might have to wiggle it a little bit to get the threads to get started. Then you can screw in the shipping lock clockwise until it is hand tight. Now your embosser is ready to be put back into its original package to ship. There's 2 pieces of foam that will go on each end of the embosser and then back into its original box, and it will be ready to ship.